Hello, welcome back, guys. So I just picked up a 94 single cab Chevy truck, the Silverado. Really like this year model, or at least this model in general. Pretty clean body, no dents. Obviously we're gonna lower it. Seems to sit a little too high for me. About to actually run it over to the spray bed liner shop. Like you guys will notice once I get back, it's gonna look really nice. Anyways, the truck's got a 350 TVI. It's got a rebuilt 350 in it, a complete rebuilt with the 700 R4 transmission. I added some fog lights, didn't couple them. The interior, one of the reasons why I actually bought the truck is because the interior is in amazing shape. Interior is super nice. It's not vacuum, but it's got the original floor mats. Carpet's pretty clean. Let's start her up. Engine bay also looks really clean. Mostly original. Gotta get that ball fixed, but mostly original. So the plan is to drop it probably 3 to 4 inches in the front and maybe 4 to 5 in the rear. I'm going with Beltec. Seems like they do a pretty good, they sell a pretty good kit for them. I'll use some spindles, some lowering springs for the front, and then a flip kit possibly in the rear. We'll see. Anyways, next time you see it, probably won't have those wheels. Definitely won't be sitting as high. And we'll be back. Thanks, guys.